Here's how to create a YouTube channel in 5 simple steps. Learn how to apply the latest optimization settings correctly so your channel won't have issues even before it gets started. And here's why you should do it now. YouTube no longer requires up to 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. Sounds like the best time to create that channel, right? Do it now before someone else uses that beautiful name you have been reserving. Without much ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. Welcome to my channel. My name is Vincent and let's begin with step 1. Create a Google account. If you have a Google account and would like to use it to create a YouTube channel, go to YouTube home, click on your profile image and select create a channel. Before we proceed, let's first take care of those who don't have Google accounts, or you have a Google account but would like to use a separate account for your channel. You will have to sign out and try to sign in again. This time, choose use a different account. Then click on create account. You will want to choose for personal use. If you select this option, your YouTube channel can only bear the name of your Google account. So I recommend you choose for work or my business. This option allows you to give your channel any name and authorize people to manage your account without having access to your main Google account. Enter your first name or your business name. This has got nothing to do with the name of your YouTube channel. You will be required to enter your birthday and gender. Enter your own birthday even though the account is for your business. Now you will be required to enter an email address. You can enter an existing email address or get a new email address. We are going to create a new email address. I'm using my names to create a new email address. You can use the name of your business or even the name of the channel you want to create. Select an available name. Create a password. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Get your phone verified, and just like that, you have created a Google account. You can now use this account to create a YouTube channel or multiple YouTube channels. Step 2. Create a YouTube channel. Now sign into your YouTube home. Click on your profile image. You can click on create a channel or go to YouTube Studio to create a channel. Now you are required to enter your channel's name. Please do not sweat too much when it comes to choosing a channel's name. Choose any name. You will have the option of changing it in the future. I will show you how to change your channel's name later. There are a couple of websites like VidIQ and ChatGPT that can help you generate names for your channel. Here in ChatGPT, type in something like this: generate 25 names for a YouTube channel that vlogs about grills. Select a name or get inspiration from this list. Confirm that no other business is using the name you have selected. Back to the YouTube studio. Our new channel's name is La Vista Grills. Create a unique handle and YouTube will tell you if it's available. Let's keep at La Vista Grills. Finally, click Create Channel. Step 3. Customize your YouTube channel. Congratulations, you have successfully created your YouTube channel and it's time to customize your channel to give it a personality. Make your channel stand out by giving it a special brand identity. Let viewers know what to expect when they visit your channel. To customize your channel, click on Customize your channel. That takes you straight to the YouTube studio. Here you are expected to play with these settings: layout, branding, and basic info. Well, let's start with branding. We are going to upload a profile image. Click Upload to upload a photo or a logo. I already designed this logo for this project. It's not perfect. Please drop a comment if you'd like to know how this logo was designed. You can always remove or change your profile image. The next thing is to upload your YouTube banner. YouTube banner is 2560 by 1440 pixels in dimensions and 16 by 9 aspect ratio. This information is only important to you if you are creating a banner from the scratch. I will leave a link to snapper.com where you can download the YouTube banner template. Now at Snapper, I will click on YouTube banner, then scroll down to this template to replace this name with La Vista Grills. You can always hire a graphic designer to create your banner from the scratch. It's worth it, really. Your banner is the first thing viewers see when they visit your channel, so it should convey professionalism and seriousness. You can change the background, add effects, change the font, do other customizations, and when you are satisfied, click on download, select web optimized JPG. Back to the YouTube studio. Click upload, select your downloaded banner, click done. Next is the video watermark. Video watermark is this subscribe icon at the bottom of the screen. You either create it yourself, use a simple text that reads subscribe, or download free version from Pixabay. Ensure your copy is free use, otherwise pay for it. To apply these settings, click publish. Now view your channel to see your progress. Pretty nice. If you like this video so far, kindly give it a thumbs up. I will appreciate it. Before we proceed, here are some tips that will help you navigate the YouTube maze easily. Create a playlist for YouTube education on your YouTube home. Save useful videos like on your playlist. Thumbnail may change and you won't be able to find that useful video. Subscribe to relevant channels. At this point, I invite you to subscribe to my channel to watch all these videos and more. I promise to show you how to change your channel's name. Let's go to basic info. Here you can change your channel's name. YouTube allows you to change your channel's name twice in 14 days. That's quite generous. Change your channel's handle and YouTube will tell you if it's available. Your handle is unique to your channel. Description. Here you will tell viewers what your channel is all about. While writing the description of your channel, be intentional about dropping keywords that will help viewers find your channel when they search YouTube. Visit similar channels and get inspiration from their description, but don't copy verbatim. Here's what will help you. Go to ChatGPT, type in something like this. Write a 150-word description about my channel, La Vista Grills, that vlogs about grills. Click here to copy the description. You can edit this further to add personal touch. This is your channel's URL. You can add your social media links. Add an email address here so sponsors and clients can contact you easily. I recommend you don't use the email address that signs you into your YouTube channel. Keep that one private and choose another email address instead. And finally, on customization, let's go to layout. Later, you can create a trailer that will show those that visit your channel what your channel does. When you start uploading videos, you will need to organize them in certain ways. And let's see example from this channel, Piximperfect. At the first row, you will see For You videos. YouTube uses AI to arrange videos it feels will be interesting to each viewer visiting your channel. Next video category, Shorts, then Popular videos, and so on. Back to the YouTube studio. Enable For You videos. Come down to featured sections. Click Add section and decide which set of videos come next. I will select popular videos. Click to select more set of videos. You can also drag things around. This becomes useful when you start uploading plenty of videos. Click Publish. Step 4. Optimize your channel. Now you need to apply these optimization settings that will help your channel take off and gain traction fast. While still in YouTube Studio, scroll down to Settings, then Channel. You notice there's another basic info here. Select your country of residence. Add keywords. ChatGPT again. Type keywords for YouTube channel that vlogs about grills. Back to the YouTube Studio and enter the keywords. Let me enter grilling, then press comma to enter the next keyword. Then enter BBQ for barbecue, comma, and so on. Next, go to advanced settings and select if your channel is made for kids or not. Select yes if your target audience are persons under the age of 13. Select no if your target audience are not persons under the age of 13. Or review this setting for every video. I chose no, this channel is not made for kids. Check this box. Step 5. Unlock your channel features. Click feature eligibility. Notice that only the standard feature is enabled, which means you can only upload videos that are not more than 15 minutes long, and you can't upload thumbnail for your videos. And videos without thumbnail won't have a chance. Sorry. This is why you have to quickly unlock the intermediate features so you can do more, post long videos, upload thumbnails, and so on. And this requires phone number verification only. This doesn't take long at all. Enter your phone number and Google will either call you or text you the verification code, whichever one you choose. Now the advanced features. You can do it now or later. You need this to monetize your channel anyway, or even to add external links to your videos. More verification is required here in form of video verification, valid ID, or channel history, which can take up to 2 months. Then save. Next, go to upload defaults and add title if your channel uploads videos with same title. If not, add title for every video. Same with description. When you upload videos, do you want them to immediately go public, private, or unlisted? I recommend unlisted or private, so I can only make them public whenever I'm ready. From here to advanced settings, select your video language, in my case English. Title and description, in this case again English. Then select the category of your video. If you want other people to help you manage your channel, you may need to grant them permission here. Save. Step 6. Monetize your channel. Join YouTube partnership program. This last part is for those who want to make money from YouTube. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Earn to see what you need to do to qualify for YouTube partnership program and start receiving checks from YouTube. These are the many ways to earn when you join the program. And these are the requirements to qualify for YPP. You need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million views of shorts in the last 90 days. But there's good news. Recently, YouTube reduced the requirements to 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. This latest development can only unlock part of the monetization benefits, but it's a huge encouragement. And if you want YouTube to email you when you hit these requirements, click this. Turn on the two-step verification, as this will help to secure your channel, and follow the YouTube community guideline as you upload your videos. Step 7. Upload your first video. To upload videos on YouTube, go to the YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is your back end where you will create and upload videos, go live, manage videos, analytics, change settings, get news from YouTube. Click on create and then upload your videos. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more videos like this.